Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the dollar bead box. I hadn't received this in probably about 6 months. I started ordering Jesse James beads and I did the 6-month subscription from them, and so now I'm back to dollar bead box for a while. I'm starting to switch off. I also canceled my Sam's bead box for a couple months, and I wanted to start another bead club, which I will, when I order it, I will show you guys. I'm excited about it. I'm just trying to switch up my bead boxes because, you know, it's like I still have so much of Jesse James and Sam's beads, and they're so beautiful, but I have so many, and I just wanted to change for a while. So right now I'm going to do the dollar bead box opening for you. And I also get the bead bag with the Czech fire polish in it. It's 8 strands for $8. You can't beat that deal. So I have this, and then I have all these goodies. So let me get unpacked and we will get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with the bead bag. This is June 2022 dollar bead bag. These are the Czech fire polish, and there's 4 3mm strands and 4 4mm strands. And dollar bead bag subscribers can reorder June items through July 2022. So let's start. So first we have Crystal Tangerine Lumi. I think this is so beautiful. I don't know if the light is catching all of these colors, but these are absolutely beautiful. I missed getting this box because I do use a lot of Czech fire polish beads. Number 2 is the Vitriol Vintage Metallic. I tried to turn up my lights here so that you could really see what these are about. And to think this is only $1 each. I mean, if you were to buy something like this at Michael's, it'd be like $4, $5, and it's not as pretty. So we have this one. And next we have Crystal Pink Lumi. So pretty. The holes are really well made. These are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful beads. I love these. I miss these so much. I was so excited when I got this box. It's been like 6 months since I did a unboxing from them. Then number 4 is the Crystal Key Lime Lumi. So pretty. It's gorgeous. Oh, I cannot wait to work with these beads. Got a whole day in my bead room planned. And now we're going on to the 4mm strands. And the first one didn't come on a strand. It came in a little bag. And this one is called Sapphire. And it definitely is. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at the sparkle on these. Love, love. The second, oh, these next two are gorgeous, is Crystal Half Copper or Burnt Orange Maria. So this kind of twirl, as you can see. Look at that sparkle in there. These are absolutely beautiful. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. And the next one is Blue Marble Half Copper. Look at this and turn this one. Wow, these are absolutely gorgeous. And these are nice strands too. Nice long one. $1 for this when you join them. And last but not least, Alabaster White Electric Purple. This is beautiful. Let's see, you see the sparkle on this one. You just turn them. So yeah, so this is the bag. 8 strands for $8 to go with the box. So let me get the box opened and we will get right back. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the strands. This is the 3mm Czech Glass Pearl Lavender Rainbow Luster, 40 pieces. So pretty. I like to turn it so you can kind of see everything's very uniform, very well made. Next one is a 4mm Czech Glass Cube in Jet, and there's 35 pieces in here. It's interesting because even though they're cubes, they're kind of rounded on the ends. Very pretty. Yes, very pretty. Sparkly too. The next one is an 8mm Czech glass Druck, and it's either in velvet opal or light topaz, 25 pieces. This is light topaz. So pretty. The reflection in it is so, like, you can look and you can see the dark coming through there, and then you move it over to here and it's gone. So pretty. And next is 4mm Czech glass Druck light Alexandrite. So pretty. Very soft purple. And next, this is really cool. Large hole Celtic block, ancient black. 8 pieces, 5 by 15mm. They have like a Picasso finish on them. So pretty. So pretty. These could actually be used to make, like, you know, a men's bracelet too. It's kind of got a masculine look to the bead. Very pretty. Next is 6mm Czech glass Lentil in jet rainbow iris, 50 pieces. These are really cool. And you could see the hole is right there, so they kind of hang down. So you could either, you know, use them like one where they're all hanging one way, or if you tighten them up, they just naturally end up like this, layered. And the last one of the strands is a 7 by 8mm Czech glass rose petal and crystal AB, 25 pieces. This is really pretty. I actually had 2 of them break on me. They were in the bottom of the box. But yeah, these are, you can kind of see them. Very pretty. I love these. These give a lot of texture to jewelry, you know, when they're dangling off of something, or you can even make like funky pendants out of them. I've done this with quite a few pieces. So that's all the strands. And next we have 18mm Czech glass origami flower and lavender AB, 2 pieces. Oh, are these beautiful. These are so pretty. Love, love, love these. So gorgeous. And just the AB finish on them is gorgeous. Next, we have 8 by 8mm Czech glass flat star matte rainbow iris AB, 6 pieces. And these are really cool. I don't know if you can see the. And the hole is actually, they're double holed. They have 2 holes. So they're there and there. Oh, so let me get a, let me just grab 2 head pins just to kind of show you. Oh, wrong way. Yeah, see, so they like this. These would look really cool in a double strand necklace or a bracelet. You know, you could even just put another one, just kind of. You can, you know, and you can put some beads in between them. Have something like that. That would be really cool. So these are really pretty. You don't have to use both holes if you don't want to. You can just use one and have it hanging from somewhere. Next are 4mm Czech glass saucers, Amethyst, 24 pieces. Oh, these are really pretty. I love the saucer shape on these. I like them whether they're small or they're larger. I had some 8mm saucers and they were really cool. Very pretty. Oop. Okay, I will get that after the video. Okay, and next is a 20mm pewter flower antique silver plate, one piece. Oh, that's pretty. You could use this as a pendant, put a little jump ring in it, or you can put on the end of a bracelet. Be a nice little summer bracelet. Next, oh, these are pretty. 6 by 12mm Czech glass tulips and matte crystal with purple wash. 4 pieces, and the hole runs through the top. You can see those. Very pretty, and they're the same on both sides. I don't know if you'd seen the video. I made it a while ago. This is just a little charm that I made where I used one of these flowers, and then I used 2 of the leaves and just another table cut Czech glass pendant, and just put a head pin through it and made a little flower. And I have one of those little wavy things, like kind of like the little, so it would stand. I thought that was so cute. These are really cute to do stuff like that with. And then you could, you know, could even make that into a little pendant for a necklace. Just an idea there. The next is 5 by 14 vintage floral cabochons and opaque white, 3 pieces. These are very detailed. I don't do bead weaving, unfortunately. I watch a bunch of videos, but I've never really gotten into it. But you can even like glue these onto something, you know, make a pendant out of it, gluing it if you don't want to wrap it, you know, bead it. So they're really pretty. What's the other one? The other side. And next, oh, these are pretty. I love these. 15mm Czech glass button beads in California collection, 2 pieces. Look at these. These are so pretty. I love these. Like you see the like an AB sparkly kind of goes with that. So pretty. Absolutely love those. Next is 6 by 12mm faceted dyed jade rondelle in ruby, 2 pieces. Very pretty. These are perfect for like earrings. You get a couple of these. Next is 5 by 6 Czech glass faceted bead in jet black, 10 pieces. So pretty. I love the different shapes of all these beads. They're so well made. Okay, that's another one that just fell down. I would get that afterwards too. I just took the rug out from underneath my table, so you hear it when it runs down. Next is 15mm Czech glass triangle pendant in jet travertine. This is gorgeous, and it's got, the hole is, the hole's right up there. So you totally could use this for a pendant, for a necklace. It's so pretty. It's got that Picasso finish on it, which is my favorite. And then we've got 10mm Czech fire polish jet travertine, 6 pieces. Oh, look at those. So pretty. So pretty. So shiny. And last but not least, we have a 22 by 24 Czech glass Peacock pendant. Color and styles vary. So here is how it would go. This is just, this has so much, I know that the camera can't pick up all of this, but there's so much texture on this. So pretty. So this is it for the dollar bead box for June. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I really missed getting this box. I was so excited when I reordered it. I will leave the link below to this website if you're interested in ordering. It's a great deal. Sometimes they have findings with it, sometimes they don't. Usually it's just really good beads. So I kind of like that. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it, and also subscribe, and let me know down below if you get the dollar bead box, and if you do, what you think of it. And I will post some finished jewelry videos when I'm done, or maybe a tutorial. I'm not sure. I have to go through all this and look at it and see what I want to do with this. So also below I have the links. You can follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and I do have my Etsy channel below if you're interested. I do put some of my jewelry up that I make for sale. Very behind on that. It's been a busy summer here at home. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know below what you think of it, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.